Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The RJRGleaner Group says it has established a strong position in social media. The parent company for this station, TVJ, says it continues to diversify its operations as the global media landscape integrates new media. Javon Keys reports.
The RJRGleaner Communications Group says it maintains leading share in the market in a number of areas. Pointing to the latest media analysis, its brand Television Jamaica has more than 80% of television viewership, and the Gleaner is positioned as the #1 print publication. Speaking at the company's 75th annual general meeting, CEO of the RJRGleaner Communications Group, Gary Allen, says it also has a robust new media presence.
We had 78% of the 39 million engagements that took place in social media, on different social media platforms, whether it's Facebook or Twitter now, X or Snapchat or all the others that they have. And this information, I'm pleased to tell you, is produced by a startup company, Star Apple Analytics. And yes, the name sounds familiar because we have invested in Star Apple Analytics. It's one of the startups that we have invested in, and it provides digital services using artificial intelligence.
But as the group looks to leverage these avenues, the core of earnings, advertising revenues, has seen a dip.
During the pandemic, there were cheaper options, even though they were less effective, that were tried by some businesses, and some of them, as they have not recovered fully, they have continued to use those less effective, but for them affordable means, and we have to give those businesses some more time to recover and for those advertisers to return. Happily, we have also seen that in a few markets internationally, and one in particular in the Caribbean, that radio and television revenues have started to grow.
Among the challenges, supply chain backlogs and inflation. Despite the economic climate, the RJRGleaner Communications Group continues to build out its next generation television transmission. Deputy CEO for the group, Dr. Claire Grant, says the company is still within the $7.5 million budget for the project.
There was a main ring that's going to connect all of the transmitters across the island. That's practically complete now, and so now we're moving into the next phase of beginning to put what is necessary in place to roll out the rest of the transmitters. Pretty soon we'll be selecting some areas and selecting some homes, and to have people have experiences with the setup of the box and to see the signal. It is a very pretty signal to see.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
The Jamaican dollar gained 51 cents on the U.S. currency after the Bank of Jamaica pumped $30 million into the foreign currency market. After the intervention, banks and cambios are selling the U.S. dollar for an average $155.43. $115.80 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $193.56, while it's costing $169.85 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 445 points today, while the junior market gained 20 points, leading the 46 advancers: Key Insurance, Pulse Investments, Fosrich, Honeybun, and Lumber Depot. The 39 losers include Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Consolidated Bakeries, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Caribbean Cream, and Pan Jamaica Group. 20 stocks ended the session at the same price they opened trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.